A man who spent 48 years in prison for a crime he never committed is finally free and clear. News.com has learned about a judge's ruling in Oklahoma City on behalf of Glynn Simmons. Simmons was found guilty of murdering Carolyn Rogers in an Edmond liquor store in 1974. For 2 years, Simmons was on Oklahoma's death row before his sentence was reduced to life in prison in 1977. But Simmons, 71, insisted he wasn't at the liquor store. In fact, Simmons said, he was 2 states away in Louisiana. An Oklahoma County judge ordered a new trial for Simmons in July, after a police report emerged indicating a witness to Rogers' killing might have named other people as suspects in a lineup. That report never was given to Simmons' attorneys. When District Attorney Vicki Behenna admitted her office no longer had physical evidence in the case, they decided not to seek a new trial after first requesting one in April. This simply is not an actual innocence case, Behenna said in an October court filing. Yet Judge Amy Palumbo declared Tuesday, December 19, that the offense for which Mr. Simmons was convicted, sentenced and imprisoned was not committed by Mr. Simmons. It's a lesson in resilience and tenacity, the Associated Press quoted Simmons as saying outside court. We can say justice was done today, finally, and I'm happy, USA Today quoted Simmons as adding. Simmons sets a record for the longest sentence served in prison before exoneration, 48 years, 1 month, 18 days. The National Registry of Exonerations at the University of Michigan reports criminals spend an average 9 years in prison before being freed for crimes they never committed. But in 16 cases, the wait was more than 40 years. Under Oklahoma law, Simmons could receive as much as $175,000 in compensation for a wrongful conviction. It's too late for justice, at this point, but it's not too late for retribution, Texas civil rights attorney Kim Cole said after the court hearing. Retribution is due. But his attorney, Joe Norwood, says Simmons may head back to court, this time as a plaintiff. He plans a federal lawsuit against the city of Oklahoma City and law enforcement agencies. Glynn is having to live off GoFundMe, Norwood said. Getting compensation is not for sure. So Simmons started the online fundraiser in August to pay his bills. He set a goal of $50,000. As of Thursday afternoon, December 21, he had more than $178,000 in pledges. I'm going to use these funds to live. Simmons says on his GoFundMe page. I want to get my own place to live. Food, plus medical needs, because I am currently undergoing chemotherapy for liver cancer. A second man was convicted in the murder of Rogers. Don Roberts went free on parole in 2008.